stubborn refusal to obey lawful court orders. 6, charge 6, this is charge number 6, illegally naming a public road after her husband. The particulars of this charge are as follows. The governor has grossly violated, among others, 1, Articles 10 and 73 of the Constitution, 2, Section 7 and 11, subsection 1C of the Meru Honours and Awards Act 2018 by naming a public road after her husband without following the applicable statutory procedures. Charge number 7, contempt of the Assembly. The particulars of this charge are as follows. The governor has grossly violated, among others, 1, Articles 10, 174, paragraph I, 185, clause 3, and 195 of the Constitution, Section 39 of the County Governments Act 2012, and 3, Sections 18, 22, and 27 of the County Assemblies Powers and Privileges Act 2017 by engagement, connivance, and/or complicity in the following. A, refusal to honor lawful summons to appear before the Assembly's Sectoral Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs, and Cohesion to answer questions on the matters raised in the preceding parts of this impeachment motion. And B, directing her Chief of Staff and accomplice and lackey in malfeasance to write a contemptuous letter to the Assembly in response to lawful summons to appear before the Assembly's Sectoral Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs, and Cohesion. And C, in the refusal by her CECM, Finance, and County Secretary to furnish documents to the Assembly on the frivolous grounds that 1, an inchoate audit process was underway, and 2, the matters raised by the Assembly were sub judice, the latter frivolous ground being also disingenuous and contrived when viewed against the fact that the governor has already been convicted of contempt of court. The Honorable Kawira Mwanga, how do you plead to the 7 charges? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Thank you. You may proceed to take your seat, Honorable Governor. Next is the opening statement on behalf of the County Assembly. Council, you have exactly 30 minutes. Anything said after 30 minutes will be off record and may not be useful to your client.
Order number 3, hearing and determination of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Kawira Mwanga, the Governor of Meru County.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker and Honorable Senators. I'll be sharing the 30 minutes with my learned friend, Mr. Marius Maranya. In summary, Mr. Speaker and Honorable Senators, the impeachment motion before you is the third one in barely a year presented before the Assembly against the Honorable Governor Kawira Mwanga. The first impeachment motion was presented before the Assembly on